They say people don't change, but Sigma empaths know better. What they truly learn is that the illusion people project eventually cracks, and when it does, the connection they thought they had dissolves right in front of them. A Sigma empath doesn't miss the person who left, they miss who they believed that person was. And once that illusion breaks, there is nothing left to hold on to. This is the moment their heart grows wiser, their intuition sharper, and their standards untouchable. Think about it. Every time a Sigma empath feels the emotional sting of absence, it isn't because they want someone back. It's because they're grieving the story they wrote, the connection they imagined, the potential that never became real. They don't chase people, they chase truth. And when the truth finally appears, no matter how painful, they walk away with a calm that feels frightening to anyone who expected them to break. This is the silent evolution of a Sigma empath, and if you've ever felt this shift inside yourself, you're already further along than you realize. Before we go deeper, answer this in the comments. Do you miss the person or the version of them you created in your mind? Your answer says more about your emotional growth than you think. Subscribe to Brainy Empath so you never miss the insights that reveal who you're becoming. And if you're still here, type "no illusion." I want to see who watches to the end. They grieve the version of the person they imagined, not the reality that disappointed them. This is the quiet truth Sigma empaths carry long after a connection ends. The loss they feel isn't for the person who walked away or the one who stayed and changed. It's for the vision they once held with absolute sincerity. They don't mourn the real individual, because the real individual revealed themselves long before the ending. What breaks them for a moment is the collapse of the version they had created in their mind, a version stitched together from potential, kindness, and the fragments of sincerity they thought were genuine. They fall for the essence of what someone could have been, the emotional depth they hoped existed, the loyalty they believed was mirrored. And when reality shows its true face, one of inconsistency, self-interest, or emotional immaturity, the grief comes not from heartbreak, but from clarity. They realize they were in love with a projection, not a presence. This realization hits like a quiet storm. It isn't loud, dramatic, or destructive. It's a slow unveiling, a moment when the illusion dissolves, and they finally see the gap between who they imagined and who actually stood before them. They replay conversations, not to cling, but to compare. They revisit memories, not out of longing, but to understand where imagination filled in the emotional blanks. And the painful part isn't that the person failed them, it's that they invested sincerity into a version that never truly existed. In this moment, their intuition sharpens, their emotional boundaries strengthen, and their self-awareness expands. They don't break, they evolve. Because once a Sigma empath realizes the illusion is gone, the connection loses all power over them. And what they walk away from isn't a person, it's the story they refuse to rewrite with denial. They miss the emotional connection they believed existed, not the one that actually played out. This is the hidden ache Sigma empaths carry long after they've walked away. What tugs at them isn't the reality of the relationship, it's the deeper emotional bond they thought was there. They replay certain moments, not because they want the person back, but because they're trying to reconcile how something that felt so genuine turned out to be so uneven, so fragile, so mismatched. They believed in the connection with their whole heart, sensing emotional depth that wasn't truly reciprocated, interpreting small gestures as signs of something meaningful. And when the truth emerges, that the other person didn't feel with the same intensity or invest with the same sincerity, the loss becomes more about the illusion of closeness than the relationship itself. For Sigma empaths, emotional connection is sacred. They don't bond quickly or lightly. So when they finally open their inner world to someone, they do it with the belief that the connection is mutual, honest, and rooted in authenticity. Missing that feeling is natural because the emotional landscape they created was real for them, even if the other person only stepped into it partially. But as the dust settles, they begin to see the imbalance clearly. The long messages answered with short replies, the effort they put in that wasn't returned, the depth they offered that someone else skimmed over. And that clarity becomes the turning point. They don't miss the actual relationship. They miss the emotional possibility they thought existed. Once they realize it wasn't mutual, the illusion loses power, the longing fades, and they step into a new version of themselves that no longer wastes love on half-built connections. They mourn the potential they saw in someone, even when that person never lived up to it. This is the silent heartbreak Sigma Empaths rarely speak about. They don't just connect to who someone is, they connect to who that person could have become. They see depth where others see surface, possibility where others see limitation. They notice qualities buried beneath insecurity, hesitation, or emotional immaturity, and they build hope around that unseen potential. So when the relationship fails, what they grieve is not the person's actions, but the unrealized version they believed was waiting beneath the noise. It feels like watching a masterpiece remain unfinished, not because the artist lacked talent, but because the artist never picked up the brush. Sigma Empaths invest in people the way they invest in the future, with vision, patience, and belief. They imagine the growth, the healing, the evolution the other person could experience. They picture a deeper bond, honest communication, shared vulnerability. But potential is only powerful when someone chooses to rise into it, and many people never do. When that truth hits, the empath isn't shocked, they're saddened. They saw greatness that the person themselves refused to embrace. They offered encouragement that went unused, support that wasn't valued, and emotional safety that was taken for granted. The grief, then, becomes a mourning of possibility, a quiet farewell to the future that never happened. In time, Sigma Empaths learn something crucial. They cannot drag someone into their own becoming. They cannot love someone into growth. And they cannot build a relationship on imagined potential. So they let go, not because they stopped caring, but because they finally accepted that they were the only one who ever saw what could have been. They realize they were attached to the story, not the individual who broke it. This is the moment everything becomes clear for a Sigma Empath. The moment they understand that what they lost wasn't a person, but a narrative their heart had written with sincerity. They rewind the connection and suddenly see it differently. The late-night conversations that felt meaningful, the promises that sounded genuine, the small glimpses of vulnerability that made them believe there was depth. But when the illusion cracks, they recognize that they weren't mourning the individual at all. They were mourning the story they built around that individual, the story of potential, loyalty, emotional reciprocity, and shared growth. The other person didn't break their heart. They broke the storyline the empath thought they were co-creating. And that realization hits deeper than any goodbye. Sigma Empaths are natural storytellers of emotion. They weave meaning into small gestures, hope into subtle signals, connection into silence. So when the truth emerges that the other person wasn't fully present in that story, the loss becomes symbolic, not sentimental. The empath sees that the emotional world they were investing in existed mostly in their own depth, not in the reality the other person showed through their actions. It wasn't love they missed, it was coherence. It wasn't the person they longed for, it was the version of the relationship they thought they were living. With this clarity comes emotional liberation. The grief softens, the longing fades, and the attachment dissolves. Not because the pain disappears, but because the empath finally sees the mismatch between the tale in their heart and the truth in front of them. And once a Sigma Empath separates the story from the individual, they detach with stunning ease. Because they know now, the narrative they cherished deserved someone capable of living up to it. They remember the moments that felt genuine, even if they were built on mixed signals or false clarity. This is the bittersweet truth Sigma Empaths carry long after the connection fades. Their memory doesn't cling to the chaos, the inconsistency, or the disappointment. It clings to the fragments of warmth that felt real at the time. The soft tone in a late-night message, the vulnerability in someone's eyes during a quiet conversation, the rare moment when their guard dropped and honesty slipped through. Sigma empaths replay these scenes not because they want the person back, but because those moments touch something deep within them, something that felt meaningful even if it wasn't. They hold on to the emotional spark, not the person who produced it. And that spark lingers because it represented what could have been, not what truly was. But as they grow wiser, they begin to see these moments differently. They realize how much was built on ambiguity, affection mixed with distance, attention mixed with inconsistency, sincerity mixed with hesitation. They see how clarity was something they filled in themselves, interpreting half-efforts as whole truths. The emotional resonance was real for them, but the foundation was fragile, uneven, and ultimately unsustainable. This is the painful part, accepting that something that felt so genuine may have been nothing more than emotional mirroring or temporary vulnerability. Yet this realization doesn't break them, it transforms them. Because Sigma empaths learn that genuine moments are not enough if they do not translate into consistent behavior. Warmth is not enough if it does not become commitment. Mixed signals are not enough if they do not become emotional clarity. So they honor the memory, but they no longer cling to it. They let it become a lesson, not a longing. And in doing so, they rise into a version of themselves who knows how to distinguish emotional reality from emotional illusion. They miss the feeling of being understood, not the person who eventually misunderstood them. This is the quiet ache Sigma empaths rarely admit. What lingers after a connection ends isn't the person, it's the rare sensation of feeling seen, even if only for a moment. Sigma empaths move through life with emotional depth that most people never reach, so when someone seems to understand them, even partially, it feels like finally taking a full breath after years of shallow ones. They don't miss the individual who later dismissed, misunderstood, or minimized their feelings. They miss the fleeting sense of recognition, the moment they believed someone truly grasped their complexity, their sincerity, their emotional language. That feeling becomes the echo, not the person who ultimately proved unable to hold it. As time passes, the truth becomes clearer. The connection felt meaningful, not because of who the other person was, but because of how the empath felt in their presence before the misunderstanding began. They miss the emotional possibility, the comfort of being listened to without judgment, the hope that someone finally matched their depth. But eventually, the cracks revealed themselves: inconsistencies, shallowness, misalignment, or emotional immaturity. The same person who once felt like a safe space became a reminder of how easily understanding can turn into confusion, and how quickly closeness can become distance. So when Sigma empaths look back, they don't long for the individual who failed to keep pace with their emotional depth. They long for the sensation of being met, fully, authentically, without filtering or shrinking. And once they recognize that the person was not capable of sustaining that level of understanding, the attachment dissolves. They stop missing the source and start seeking the experience in people who can actually reciprocate it. Because in the end, what they truly crave is not a person, it's emotional resonance, the rare alignment where their inner world doesn't feel too much. They let go easily once they see the truth, because the illusion was the only thing holding them in place. This is the moment everything shifts for a Sigma empath, not when the relationship ends, but when the illusion ends. They are not attached to people, they are attached to meaning, sincerity, depth, and emotional truth. So when the mask slips, when the inconsistencies line up, when the intuition they tried to silence becomes undeniable, the entire foundation of the connection collapses in an instant. And with that collapse comes surprising ease. Letting go isn't a struggle, because what they were holding on to was never the real person in the first place. It was the idea, the hope, the emotional projection their heart constructed in good faith. Once the truth stands naked in front of them, there is nothing left to negotiate, fix, save, or question, only release. What makes Sigma empaths powerful is not that they detach quickly, but that they detach completely. The moment they see someone's true intentions, emotional capacity, or lack of reciprocity, their feelings shift from investment to observation. The emotional bond dissolves because it was tied to a version of the relationship that no longer exists. The disappointment doesn't break them, it wakes them. They stop reaching, stop explaining, stop waiting for change that was never coming. Their clarity becomes their exit. And this exit is clean, quiet, and final. There is no revenge arc, no dramatic closure, no desperate attempt to salvage something already dead. Their heart simply steps out of the story, leaving their mind free to follow. People are often shocked at how effortlessly a Sigma empath disappears, but the truth is simple. They were never clinging to the person. They were clinging to the illusion. And illusions evaporate the moment truth arrives. When a Sigma empath finally sees the truth, they don't break, argue, or chase. They simply step out of the story they were never meant to stay in. That quiet exit is not coldness, it's self-respect. It's the moment they choose clarity over confusion, peace over potential, and truth over the illusion that once held their heart in place. And in that moment, they rediscover something far more powerful than the connection they lost, themselves. If you've ever felt this shift inside you, you already know how liberating it is to finally stop holding on to what was never real. Before you leave, answer this. Have you ever walked away, not from a person, but from the version of them you created in your mind? And if you've watched until the end, type clarity in the comments so I know you're one of the few who truly understand this journey.